Hello my friend, welcome to my blog. So it's evening time and you can see here where have I come to. It's our field. So this field is just nearby the stream. That is the stream down there. So I have come here to clean the drain. So actually the thing is that rainy season, you can say monsoon has started, and it has been too much rain every day. The water flow is very heavy. So the thing is that I have come here to make a wide drain. Okay, so water can flow easily and water can pass easily to that stream. That stream is down there, and you can see I have a shovel, that is called shovel. Okay, so I will clean that drain. I will show you. I will clean it so water doesn't stuck into one place. That's why. So that is the drain. Okay, that is the drain. I will show you. So that is the drain. You can see there are some sand actually has come in this drain, and the sand actually has blocked the drain. So I will clean this sand. Okay, and clean all this drain from here to there. Okay, this is our field. So water come from this side. Okay, there are some paddy field. Okay, so water come from this side. So water flow is very heavy. So water actually come here, and water also bring some sand with it, and that sand actually stuck here in our field. So now it's important to clean that drain. I will wide it, make it some wide, so water can flow easily, water can pass easily. Okay, so I will show you. So I have to fold my lower up because that is very, this side, that is very wet, and it's very, so this is shower. Now I'm, it will take time. I will see you when I will finish it. My friend, you can see I have made it wide, and it's actually very muddy. No, actually the soil is very muddy. You can see my feet. You can see my feet. It's too much muddy. It's too much muddy. You can see my feet. My feet are muddy now. So I will clean that feet at home. But the thing is that I have made it wide. So now water flow can pass easily. Today is sunny day. So yeah, that's why I have come here. Okay, we will meet you. Take care.